After meeting with the client for the initial consultation and the petition for divorce is drafted, the next step in the process becomes how do we serve the other party? Obviously, that requires us to locate the other party. Are they in state? Are they out of state? It requires us to look at the nature of the divorce, and that has a lot to do with our interview with our client. Is this going to be a highly contentious divorce? Have there been past domestic violence? Are they still living in the same house? Does our client know where the other party lives? Or do they know where they work? There's a number of factors that we analyze to see what is the best pathway pursuant to the rules, the rules of family law and procedure in the state of Arizona, and make sure, because we have to serve it according to the rules of procedure. There's a certain way it must be served. We would figure out the most productive means of service that subjects our client to the least amount of liability, or especially if the other party doesn't know that they're going to be served with divorce papers. If there's some mutuality, we may even invite the other party and have them sign the acceptance of service in the office, if the divorce is that amicable. If the other party is a ex-veteran with a gun safe as big as my office, loaded with guns, and they've been fighting for the last 3 years, and they're suicidal ideation, well, no, I'm not sending the client over there to serve divorce papers. I'd be reluctant to send a process server over there. We'd figure out the least the means that would subject our client or anyone to danger or anything. So again, it's a case by case basis. But in any case, once you're represented by our law firm, and mostly any law firm, I don't think this changes between any law firm, that becomes the responsibility of the lawyer to determine the method of service, and making sure that that method of service is consistent with in Arizona with the rules of family law and procedure that prescribes how the other party must be served. But service must be effective, and because there are certain things that are attached to service, such as preliminary injunctions and the like, that you would want in place prior to the divorce proceeding to its next phase.